Welcome to a new Allplan tutorial. In this video we will show you how to export and import projects out of and into Allplan. By installing Allplan, you automatically receive the add-on Allmenu. With its help you can also export and import projects. I'm opening Allmenu in order to show you exactly how to do that. You go to Configuration and choose Backup Path. This is where you tell Allplan what location to export your backup to. I'm choosing Desktop and confirm with OK. By going to Data Backup, Create, Entire Folders and Projects, you can export your project. We advise, especially beginners, to always use this setting. Allplan then gives me a list of all the existing projects he recognizes in the system, and I can choose one or more projects that I would like to back up. I confirm with OK and wait for the process to finish. This could take a while depending on the size of my projects. When it's finished, I receive the following information and confirm by pressing OK. When I check the location that I chose my backups to be exported to, in this case my desktop, I realize that I received 4 files. 2 of them are the 2 folders of my project, and I receive additional 2 files. Allplan needs those to recognize the folders as project folders. So in case you need to copy or move your backup, please do not forget to do this with both of those files. What you can also see is the way that Allplan names your folder. First comes the project name, and then a date that you exported the backup at. Finally, you receive 2 digits that help Allplan chronologically sort your backups in case there is more than one of the same project on the same day. Now that I have exported my backup, I can show you how to import it back again. I return to Allmenu and go to Configuration and Backup Path. In this case, my backup path for the import is the same one that it was as I exported my projects. In case you have to change something, this is the place to do it. I can either confirm with OK or cancel, because in this case I don't change anything. I go to Data Backup, and instead of creating, I import an existing project. Allmenu then shows me a list of all the projects that it recognizes in the given backup folder. I choose the one I would like to import and confirm with OK. I'm asked whether I would like to import all the data of the backup or only part of it, and here we advise, especially beginners, to confirm with yes. Afterwards, Allplan wants to know whether I would like to create a new project or import the data into an existing project. Here again, we advise beginners to click yes. Finally, I'm able to rename the project in case I wish. I edited my project's name in order to be able to differentiate between the exported and the imported project. Here again, I confirm with OK. When the process is done, again depending on the size of the project, it could take a while, I receive the finished information and confirm with OK. When opening Allplan and opening a new project, I can see that there are the projects that I exported before, and here I have my imported copy of it. I can open it and go on working with it as usual. We hope we could help you with this video. Thank you for the attention and enjoy using Allplan.